What's up, warriors? Welcome to today's short video. I wanted to give you guys an update on our bots profits from December. Okay, we've been running it the full December, so I just wanted to show you guys what we have made. So before we do that though, I wanted to make sure that you guys see that this is not a paper account, a demo account. If I do click on the demo account, it's gonna bring us here to this section where we have one bot that we did for the last video I created for you guys. From there, as you can see, it says demo on. We're gonna click that off. We are here on our real account. We're gonna refresh this. Okay, there you go. 100% transparency for you guys. All right, so the way I do this is every day I pick a time, right? And my time is 12 a.m. when the news day starts, and I grab the sum profit, okay? And I come here and I put it for that day, right? Then from there, I either, minus it or times it, whatever it is from the day before. And that gives me either a positive or a negative profit, right? So for December of 2021, we actually generated $17,141. Okay, this is 100% automated. I did not touch the bots. I set them up with our VIP settings, and it's just been working for us. And actually, this number is kind of low because, as you know, Bitcoin and the crypto market has been down for the past 2 months or so. So they've been just, moving along slowly. It did drop from 52,000 and all this stuff, and then we were closer above, but hey, we're here. We still generated over $17,000 in profits for doing nothing, just having the bots up and running for us, right? So from there, what I wanted to give you guys is something special. Also, if you do join under our affiliate link, okay, and join Bitsgap, we're gonna give you guys a special VIP bonus. Okay, this is our VIP checklist. As you can see, we're testing every day. We're creating new settings for it to make sure that we have the best winning settings for our bots. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you these settings if you join under our affiliate link. Okay, you can go to investwarriors.com/bot. That is investwarriors.com/bot. Okay, so from there, we need to make sure that you go to your Bitsgap account, click on settings. In account details, you will see who refer you, which is right here below. Okay, the number has to match ours, which is 86509B23. Okay, what I want you to do is take a screenshot of this when you have upgraded to a paid plan. Make sure that we see your user ID and who refer you. Okay, you can cover your username. We don't need to know that, but I do need to see your user ID and that our number, our affiliate ID is here where it says that you were referred by. Okay, and it needs to match 86509B23. Again, you can go to investwarriors.com/bot to sign up right now. From there, it depends. Bitsgap sometimes has a 7-day free trial, sometimes it has a 14-day. What you can do is you sign up under a link, make sure that you test the bots, do some demo accounts, right? Just put in whatever settings you want, start seeing, do you like it? Do you have a good feeling for it? And if you do, when they ask you to upgrade to a paid plan, you're gonna have two options. Okay, you're gonna have the options to upgrade to a monthly plan, and if you do that, we're gonna give you our daily bots settings. Okay, and we're testing every day. As you can see, we're testing with over $300,000 active accounts. Okay, not paper accounts and stuff like that. So you're gonna get those settings for you. From there, if you upgrade to the 6 months account, okay, so you're gonna have that option. We're gonna give you our HODL bot settings. Okay, these settings basically generate more coins for you. If you want to generate more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, more Sol, I'll give you the settings for that, and you're gonna be able to just create more of that coin. Okay, but that's only if you upgrade to the 6 months plan. All right, and from there, that's it, man. Just go to investwarriors.com/bot. All right, and the way that you claim your bonus is going to be sending us an email after you have upgraded to a either monthly account or to the 6 months account. Send us an email with the title Bitsgap VIP bonus. Send us the screenshot with your user ID right here so we can see that it's you, and make sure that the referral ID number is 86509B23. And from there, you send it to bonus@investwarriors.com, and we'll verify that you did sign up and you did upgrade to a paid plan, and we'll send you the settings, man, 100% for free for you, okay? The price for Bitsgap is not going to change for you. It's not going to go up higher or lower if you sign up on your link. And if you don't want to, don't worry about it, man. I'm okay with that. All right. And if also the other thing is we're going to be releasing our Bitsgap program pretty soon. And if you sign up under it, you're going to be able to get a beta testing price as well. Okay. And after we go live, it is going to be a lot higher. It's going to be above $1,000 for sure. So, but that's for a full program. Okay, this is just the settings that you're going to be getting. All right, warriors. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on our monthly profits for Bitsgap's crypto trading bots. And remember, let the profits come to you. Take care and see you in the next video.